Hi Preps, today we're going to be doing some counting together. Let's start by reading our learning intention. We are learning to count and say how many objects there are. I'm going to be looking for you to make sure you point to each object when you count, so you can point on your screen, and make sure you only count each object once. Okay, on this screen I have some stars. I'm going to point to each star once to count. Watch how I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you point to the number that shows how many stars there were? Which number matches? That's right, it's the number 4. This one over here is the number 4. There were 4 stars. Okay, boys and girls, let's check that and count the stars together. Count with me as I point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to use your finger and count how many frogs I have on my screen. Use your finger and point to the frogs as you count. Okay, boys and girls, how many frogs were on my screen? Point to the number. How many frogs were there? Were there 10? Were there 8? Were there 5? Or were there 7? How many frogs were there? That's right, there were 5 frogs. 5 frogs. Okay, boys and girls, let's check our answer together. Let's count the frogs together using our finger on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 frogs. Okay, boys and girls, we have some fingers on this screen. I'd like you to use your fingers to count how many fingers are on the screen. Off you go. Okay, are you ready? How many fingers were there on my screen? Were there 2? Were there 5? Were there 9? Or were there 10? Point to the correct number on your screen. That's right, there were 10 fingers on my screen. Okay, let's see if we can count that together. Count with me. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 fingers. Okay, I have some popsicle sticks on this page. I'd like you to have a go at counting them using your finger on the screen. Okay, are you ready? Okay, how many sticks were there? Were there 4? Were there 3? Was there 1? Or were there 5? Point to the number on your screen. That's right, there were 5 sticks on my screen. Let's count them together, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 sticks. Okay, boys and girls, let's revisit our learning intention. Today we were learning to count and say how many objects there are. So I was looking for you to make sure you pointed to each object as you count on the screen, and make sure you're only counting each object once.